Well, okay, old goats. Today we're in the restroom. We're going to go ahead and change the toilet seat out. Um, when you sit on them for a while and they start to break down and then they break, and then you're playing slip and slide on the toilet when you're not soaking wet. Yeah, evidently that's not fun for some people. I don't mind it, but no. So we're going to change that out. Uh, we just got a looks like it says Mayfair sheet here. And we're just going to put it on there. We're going to show you how easy it is, because I guess, some people might think it's a little harder than it actually is. Okay, guys. What you're going to do is you're going to get your wrench on there. And then there's a little screw up here. And you're going to put your hand in it. Spin it. And bada bing, bada boom, she comes out. And then there's your screw. Okay, guys, and while you've got, and then your old toilet seat comes right off. Take some all-purpose cleaner and spray it. Let it sit for a couple seconds and then wipe it off. See, now that didn't take you too long, and it wasn't that difficult. And I'd say while you're at it too, if you want some extra brownie points, you go ahead and clean up underneath as well, because it's pretty filthy. And that's pretty filthy underneath there. It's not some place that you can get the cleaning stuff real easily while the lid's on. And then you clean the inside out of there. Next thing to do is to get your new seat taken out of the package. Now you've just proved to the woman that you can clean a toilet. So be proud of yourself for that, because you did something. And you're going to set the new toilet seat on there. And it comes with instructions and all the hardware you need. And of course these are plastic. Don't know that we really care for those. But I'm going to assume these two go up underneath like that. That way you can get your onto it. Pretty simple. And then these two are going to go up down through and screw right in. Pretty simple. I'm just taking a guess here. These directions will tell you. Oh, see, we better read the instructions, because it's not exactly what I thought it was going to be. Alright. So you're going to flip the toilet seat over. And it says to flip the hinge cap open. Alright, we're just going to take the screwdriver into that peg here. And we'll try to separate it. Pull that peg. There we go. Alright, next thing it says to do is, it looks like you take this up through here. And then, I don't know, turn seat over, insert that. I mean, am I supposed to insert it this way? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to insert it this way. That's what it looks like. You hear it click though. Oh, look, it click. Okay. Boom, nice and easy. Alright, push down the hinge cap. Oh, what am I going to push down the hinge cap? Alright. Flip her over. Put her up there and tighten her down. So you're going to flip her over. Put your hose or your screws right through there. Pretty simple. You're going to take these. You're just going to screw those in from underneath. Pretty simple. We'll get it finger tight for now. Okay. Take her up here. Put her on there. Screw her in. We'll just do a finger tight for now. Alright. Now that she's on there, tight her finger tight, we're going to get a socket wrench to tighten her down. So I believe we have 5/8 here. Oop, I got her going the wrong way. Ah. I'm old, guys. So, being that it's plastic, you don't want to do what I just did, which is tighten it down so hard that you break it. So we'll get the other side done. And we'll rip them off. And we were supposed to, because they came off pretty easily. So I'm going to assume maybe they were supposed to do that, because they came off way too easy. Of course, you probably to prevent you from tightening it down too much anyway. So anyway, what's on there? Seat's nice and sturdy, and we have extras just in case it doesn't hold. We got some metal ones to put in. So that's how you change the toilet seat, guys. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and well, I'm old, and I'm fat, and I'm out of shape, and I'm tired. Bye.